Are you ready to switch from Ubuntu to Windows? In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove Ubuntu and install Windows using a USB flash drive. It is a simple process, and by the end of this video, you will have a new Windows system up and running. Let us get started. Open your favorite browser on Ubuntu. First, search for Ubuntu. Hit enter. Open Ubuntu website. Downloads. Select Ubuntu for Linux. Select for Linux and download. Open new tab. Search for Windows. Any Windows you want. I want to install Windows 11. You can install Windows 10 or Windows 11. Any of them you want. Open Microsoft website. Scroll down, download Windows disk image. Select Windows Multi-Edition ISO. Download now. Select your language. Confirm. Then download the Windows. Now open files. Come to downloads. Here I have Windows 11 and Ubuntu. Right click on Ubuntu. Extract here. Open Ubuntu. Plug in your USB flash drive. Right click on Ubuntu GUI. Run. Install. Okay. Close it. Copy the Windows and paste on the flash drive. Open flash drive. Paste here. Restart operating system. Press Windows boot key. Press F12 for Dell. Press F9 for HP. It is a list of boot keys for different hardware. Select USB device. Next. I don't have product key. Select image. Next. Accept. Format these three partitions. Partition 1, 2 and 3. This one is the USB. Format one by one. Now select your drive, then click on next. Install.